Good day, I am Ace Lorenzana from BSE2B. I'm here today to show you how to solve using the concept of simple interest. I have prepared 5 different problems to solve.
Calculate the simple interest earned if a person loan 5,000 pesos with an interest rate of 3% after 2 years. I equals PRT, P equal to 5,000, R equal to 3% or 0.3, and T equals to 2. I equals PRT, substituting the value of PRT equals to I equals to 5,000 times 0.03 times 2. I equals to 150 times 2. I equals to 300. The interest of 500 pesos was earned at interest rate of 5% in 2 years. How much should be invested in a bank to acquire the given simple interest? I equals to PRT, I equals to 500, R equals to 5% or 0.05, and T is equal to 2. I equals to PRT, substituting the value of I equals PRT equals to 500 equals P times 0.5 times 2. 500 equals to P 0.10. 500 divide 0.10 equals P 0.10 divide 0.10. P is equal to 5,000.